Hey everybody, Mike with Me vs. Junk. So this is the job site that I actually found this cute little kitten at. Fortunately for this kitten, my sister works at a vet office and has an act for finding homes for kittens. Something moving over here. That was a snake. It's actually a little kitty. Hey kitty. Oh my gosh. You have been hiding for quite some time. Oh my gosh. Look at that cute thing. I thought you were a snake. I was doing some demo work all day and I moved a piece of wood right before I left and this thing popped out. Let me give it some water.